Hello! If you want to create stunning polls that captivate your audience, then keep watching. Polls are a great way to deliver the insights you need to make more informed decisions and experience real-time feedback from your audience. I'll walk you through the many ways Formulu can help you build an interactive poll with different outcomes and track the responses in real time. First, let's go to our template gallery. This is where you can find ready-to-use templates, which you can easily edit to fit your particular needs. To add a template to your workspace, click Edit this template. Let's add this course feedback template. And now let's add this customer satisfaction score template. This template will help you get better insights into how satisfied your customers are. Nice! Your templates are now available in your dashboard home. This course feedback polling report will get you accurate student feedback by using various rating and question types. It has multiple steps that are all customizable to your wants and needs. It also contains a success message at the end, which your respondents will see once they finish the poll. You can even add a link to your success message to redirect respondents to another page or form after completing the poll. Once you've customized your form, you can start customizing the poll to make it yours from the Design tab. Here's where you can choose to show all of the questions on the same page or each question separately. You can also shuffle the order of questions or the order of the options inside the fields. Change the theme and colors of your poll, add a background image, or even customize the text on the buttons and messages. When you're ready to publish your poll, you can add it to your website as an iframe, script, widget, or chatbot. Don't worry though, you don't need to understand programming to make it work. Just copy the code that Formula gives you and paste it into your website. And it starts to work right away. When your audience starts answering, the data comes in real time. That means you can analyze responses, plan campaigns based on that data, and send the information to your CRM so you can follow up with new leads. Here in the Notification tab, you can get a notification every time someone submits your poll. Also, you can forward the notification email to send a copy to your team members. You can also send customized notification emails to your audience. Enable partial submissions to view the unfinished responses of people who start answering the poll, answer a few of your questions, and leave. With Logic, you can show different questions based on how your audience answers the poll. Calculate variables and dedicate different success messages depending on the answers to the poll. Then build an app to categorize and organize your collected data. Easily create a Kanban board categorized by the status of your leads. Every new response on your poll will automatically show up in your pipeline, and your sales team can follow up on them right away. And the status is an admin-only field that is only visible to the admins, and your poll takers won't know about it. Customize your pipeline board with the fields you want visible on the cards, and quickly update the leads' status and tag them for future reference. The live presentation mode of the forms gives you the power to present your form responses to the public. With this feature, you can showcase your forms' responses and also the charts and diagrams on it. It's the perfect solution for making an incentive for your audience to fill out the form by viewing other responses. This page is live, meaning it will update itself without refreshing the page. So your audience can see the charts and responses update as new responses come in. You no longer need to be a data expert to get insights from your data. With Formulu surveys, the things you can achieve are endless. This is a tool that will make you want to do more for your customers, whether it's building forms and polls from scratch or tracking the responses to keep in touch with your customers in a better way. Say goodbye to all those unorganized duplicate data in multiple applications and say hello to Formulu. Happy Formuluing!